Hello there. It's me, Sue Johnson. Now, listen, for several weeks, Stanley and I were driving by this car dealership, and there was a Four Winds Class C RV sitting there for sale. And finally, I said, Stan, we have to stop in and take a look at this thing and just see what it looks like. See, I have a dream, and the dream is honestly, it's to downsize, to get rid of most of what I own, and to live full time in an RV. Now, why would I want to do that? Because on a retirement income, it's getting more and more difficult for people to manage well. Rents are exorbitant. We rent, and buying a house is incredibly difficult. I have a young daughter who's trying to buy a house. It's almost impossible. It's like that in Ontario, in Canada, in the United States. Homelessness is becoming a choice where people say, you know what, I'm going to live in a tent. Now, I don't want to live in a tent. And worst comes to worst, if something happened and I couldn't live here anymore, I'd be living in my Honda. That's one reason why I'm outfitting it the way I am. But back to the RV. So we decided to look at it. See, my dream is to live in an RV full time, but you need to try the dream on to see how it fits. What does it look like? What is it really going to be like? So we toured the RV, and you can come along and look at it with us, okay? For several weeks, Stanley and I would drive around this particular corner, being rerouted because they were working on the route that we normally take. And as we went around this corner, I saw this Four Winds RV. It's a Class C RV. It's the kind that you drive around and you hang out in. So I decided to tour it, just to see what it would be like and also to get some idea of what this particular one is like. Okay, so it's wide and spacious.
What do you do with this space?
Storage. Well, technically it's a bed. Oh, look, they have a TV up there. See? Right there.
Oh, yeah.
It's cool, eh? Like, cool as in feels cold in here.
It's a nice, yeah, it's cold. Nice little breakfast place.
Yeah.
Once you fired this thing up and turned on the heat, it'll soon warm up.
Yeah.
I imagine so. You need to get one that's winterized.
Definitely, yeah. What do you think of the bedroom area being so close like that? Does that bother you? There's TV up there too.
No, it doesn't bother me.
No?
No.
Let me see the bathroom.
Not much room. You have to get up on the bed and crawl to your spot.
You wouldn't fall out though.
No.
Usual bathroom stuff, I guess.
Do you know if this one is winterized?
Oh, that's a nice fridge.
Okay, so you're selling it for somebody? Or is it part of your
Microwave. Stove with an oven. Oh, I like that stove.
Just really a winterized thing is important.
Yeah, oh, definitely, especially in Canada.
I guess that's your only closet and drawers. That's tricky. Curtain. And this whole section is your pop-out. USB connection. Might be too small for us though. Although I like the size of this. I like that stove. So what happened in the end? I did decide that for us it would be too small. In the summer we looked at one, the Canada Dream, and it was great. It was a good size, had a lot of storage space, and I liked the fact that the bedroom was separate. Whereas this bedroom is too, I think it's too close to the kitchen area. Just not enough room, really, especially storage. So then, just as I was at the point where I was thinking, let's go talk to the guy and see if we can rent it for a weekend to try it out. I don't know, just to try it out, even though I knew I wouldn't be buying it. And guess what? It's sold. It's gone. Decision made. There you go. Stay tuned for next week because we're going to the really big RV show in Toronto. That should be interesting. Wonder how many guys are going to try to talk us into buying one now. We don't have a place to put it. Anyway, that's another issue to deal with once we get through certain steps.